Welcome to Foundations of Linux. In this video, we're going to answer one of the most important beginner Linux questions. What is a Linux distribution? You'll learn how Linux distributions work, why so many different distributions exist, and which Linux distributions are best for cloud computing, DevOps, cybersecurity, and beginner learning. Linux powers much of the modern technology world. Cloud servers, artificial intelligence systems, containers, Kubernetes clusters, and web applications all rely heavily on Linux infrastructure behind the scenes. Because Linux is stable, secure, and highly customizable, it has become the foundation of modern computing. Technically speaking, Linux itself is actually a kernel. The kernel is the core component of the operating system that manages hardware, memory, processes, and communication between software and devices. The Linux kernel acts as the bridge between applications and the physical computer hardware. A Linux distribution combines the Linux kernel with many additional software components into a complete operating system. This includes utilities, package managers, desktop environments, security updates, and long-term support tools. Without these additional components, the Linux kernel alone would not provide a complete user experience. One reason there are so many Linux distributions is because Linux is open source. Developers and organizations can customize Linux for specific goals such as beginner usability, enterprise stability, cybersecurity testing, or cloud-scale deployments. Different distributions are optimized for different use cases and audiences. Even though Linux distributions may look different visually, they share many common components. Most Linux systems use the same Linux kernel, bash shell, networking tools, and core terminal commands. This consistency makes Linux skills transferable across many distributions. Several Linux distributions are extremely popular in the technology industry. Ubuntu is known for beginner-friendliness and cloud adoption. Debian is famous for stability. Fedora focuses on innovation, while Kali Linux specializes in cybersecurity and penetration testing. Each distribution serves a unique purpose. Ubuntu Linux is one of the most widely used Linux distributions in the world. It provides easy installation, extensive documentation, and a massive support community. Ubuntu is also extremely common in AWS and Microsoft Azure cloud environments. For many beginners, Ubuntu is the ideal starting point. Linux distributions use package managers to install and maintain software. Ubuntu and Debian use apt, Fedora uses DNF, and Arch Linux uses pacman. Package managers make it easy to install applications, manage dependencies, and keep systems updated securely. Modern Linux systems often include graphical desktop environments. Popular desktop environments include GNOME, KDE Plasma, and XFCE. However, many cloud servers operate entirely from the command line without a graphical interface. Learning terminal skills is extremely valuable for Linux professionals. Linux provides tools to identify the current distribution and version directly from the terminal. Commands such as cat/etc/os release help administrators troubleshoot systems and verify software compatibility. This information is very important in cloud and enterprise environments. Choosing the right Linux distribution depends on your goals. Ubuntu is excellent for beginners. Debian is ideal for stability. Fedora is popular among developers, while Kali Linux focuses on security labs and testing environments. Enterprise workloads often use Rocky Linux or Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Let's review the key takeaways from this lesson. Linux distributions combine the Linux kernel with a complete software ecosystem. Open source flexibility allows organizations to customize Linux for specialized needs. Ubuntu remains one of the best starting points for beginners and cloud engineers. Thank you for watching this Foundations of Linux lesson. To continue your Linux learning journey, visit labs.destinlearning.com for hands-on labs, guided exercises, and additional Linux training resources. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the Destin Learning YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next lesson.